guys, here we are in Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta, it's such a beautiful place. It's got such a unique places, Obviously, we have a lot of potential for fly fishing. Yeah, we've been fly fishing the last 8 years, and we've been learning a lot about the different species we can chase. And we're really surprised, the potential in Puerto Vallarta. We're trying to introduce the fly fishing here, and let the people know all over the world, that Puerto Vallarta, it's a high quality destination of fly fishing. One of the options we have on Puerto Vallarta, it's Ameca River. Here we are right now. I've been fishing this river for the last 16 years, and I found out it was full of snooks, and that was a big surprise, because I started doing bass fishing a long time ago, and then I switched for saltwater. I started catching them conventional a long time ago, and then we switched for fly fishing, and it's been so fun, It's just been so crazy about the snooks, and the potential and the quality of the snooks we have here on the Ameca River. Basically, the equipment we use here on the Ameca River, it's from 5 weights to 10 weight. It all depends the size of the snooks. And also we play with weights, intermediate and floating lines. It all depends, like I say, the spots where we're fishing, how deep it is, and the current, because that's another thing in the river, you always have that current coming down. Even if you know where the fish is, sometimes they're a little more down deep or they're more aggressive up on the surface. We fishing for Waterworks Lamson right now. They give us the opportunity to start using their brown, which is pretty good. I really like it a lot personally. And 5 weights all the way to 10 weights. It all depends the size of the fish and the situations when you're fishing here on the river. So the other option we have in this river, and something which is very, very unique, we have the river mount. So normally we fish for 3 to 4 hours here in the river chasing some snooks, and right after that, when the bites slow down, we jump to the river mount, and that's another option. That's a different paradise there, because you can find big jacks, leather jacks, snappers, snooks, triple tails, and that's what makes it so unique, One of the hardest things here for us learning the fly fishing techniques, and try to find out the different patterns for the different species we have. We basically fish a lot of cover, a lot of thick cover. As you can see, it's a different structures here in the river. So we fish very deep into the mangroves or branches, They fell off every rainy season, that's where the snooks come and hide. So basically one of the best keys for us is tying flies with the weed guard, and that's been a truly success. BKK hooks got a lot of different options on their different hooks they have, which we've been tying a lot of flies where we use here at the river. Like we use mostly like the haku, puka, and chimea. There, especially chimea, it's a good hook because it's a hook made for bass, but a lot of people tie flies in those hooks. They call it the malt walker, actually, something like that. And that hook is specific. It's been really good to tie this specific flies than we use here in the river. Also, the puka and haku, we just do the weed guard deal, and it works just exactly the same, you know. And it's been a truly success, you know.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. Fuck the comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chillin' in the desert, I'm good under pressure.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper.
Here on Snook Mafia, since we started this project long time ago, we work super hard on the conservation, you know, because we know what it's been happening lately the last 10 years. There's been a lot of changes in this river, and we try to start a program, you know, on the conservation. Actually, we do a lot of cleaning, you know, and we transmit a lot of information to the new generations about the catch and release, which is one of the most important things to keep the population on the snook here in the river, and also to take care of this environment, you know, because a lot of people don't know how special and how important is this river for Puerto Vallarta and for the whole world, you know, like every place in the world is so important, and this is one of them, you know. So we're gonna continue on this program on the conservation and try to bring this river back the way it was long time ago. So if you're ever down here in Puerto Vallarta, please let us know. Give us a call. We can show you. We can take you around and show you our different fly fishing options we have. We're the best fly fishing guys in Puerto Vallarta. By the way, we're the only ones here in Puerto Vallarta, the truly fly fishermen in Puerto Vallarta. Please let us show you around. You will not forget the experience.
Compadre, quítate la verga grabando así, güey. Estás arruinando la toma. Con tu pinche teléfono ahí, güey. Es bien culero. Cántalo más y ahí lo dejas. Suéltalo. Y saludan acá.
Trago de café, maquillaje.
A ver, echa otra fumadilla. Toma 3, 2, 1, aplauso.
And the Ameca River. Espérate, me trabé.